Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: Building Digital Bridges. Hybrid Cloud Networking Magic. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun. Today we're diving into something super cool and incredibly relevant. Hybrid cloud networking. Imagine you have your awesome main house. That's your on-premise data center, where all your own servers live. But you also have this amazing, super flexible vacation condo that you rent on demand. That's the public cloud, like AWS, Azure, or GCP. Hybrid cloud is just having both and wanting them to work together. It's like having your main party spot, but also a killer secondary location for extra guests and special events. So, why go through the trouble of having two places? Because it's awesome. Think about it. You get the best of both worlds. You can keep your super secret family recipes, sensitive data, safe at home, on-prem, for security or compliance. But if you suddenly decide to throw a massive party and need way more space, compute power, for a few hours, poof! The cloud condo scales up instantly. No need to buy a whole new house. It saves money by only paying for the extra party space when you need it. And if one house has a plumbing disaster, the other is totally fine. Hello, disaster recovery. Okay, so we have our two amazing places. But here's the kicker. How do they talk to each other? How do we get the party supplies from the main house to the condo without a huge, complicated mess? This isn't just plugging in a regular network cable. There's a whole digital ocean between them. This is where the digital bridges come in. We need a secure, reliable, and speedy way to send data back and forth. This is the heart of hybrid cloud networking, making those digital islands communicate seamlessly. Our first bridge building technique is like digging a super secret underground tunnel right under that digital ocean. VPNs, virtual private networks. These are fantastic for connecting your on-prem network to your cloud network over the public internet. The magic? Everything sent through that tunnel is encrypted, so it's super private, even if someone tries to peek. It's not always the fastest option for massive amounts of data, but it's cost-effective and secure for lots of common scenarios. Think of it as a trusty, private pathway for your important but not always urgent packages. Forget the secret tunnel. Sometimes you need a full-blown superhighway. This is where dedicated connections like AWS Direct Connect, Azure ExpressRoute, or Google Cloud Interconnect come in. Instead of going over the public internet, these are private, high-bandwidth connections directly from your data center to the cloud provider's network. It's like building a massive, multi-lane freeway specifically for traffic between your house and your condo. Way faster, way more reliable, and no worrying about internet traffic jams, perfect for mission-critical applications and huge data transfers. Alright, bridge is built. Now, how do we make sure our data packages actually get to the right place on the other side? We need a super efficient postal service. This is where IP addressing and routing come into play. Every device, server, or application needs a unique address, an IP address. Then, we set up routing tables. These are like digital roadmaps that tell our data. If you want to get to the cloud condo's kitchen, turn left at this digital intersection. We use protocols like BGP, Border Gateway Protocol, to dynamically share these routes, so everyone knows the best way to send packages across our digital bridges. So, we've built these incredible digital bridges and superhighways. Awesome, but we can't just leave them unguarded, right? We need to hire some guard dogs and put up fences. Security in hybrid cloud networking is paramount. This means using firewalls, digital bouncers, access control lists, guest lists, and network segmentation, only letting certain people into certain rooms. We need to protect both ends of our connections, our on-prem network and our cloud network, and the journey in between. Who can cross? What can they carry? We're constantly asking these questions to keep our data safe and sound. Phew, we just covered a ton. But hopefully, you see the magic. Hybrid cloud networking is literally the backbone of how so many modern companies operate. It gives them flexibility, security, and scalability. It's a game changer. Learning how these digital bridges are built and secured is a huge step in understanding modern data centers and cloud architecture. My brain feels like it just built a whole new city, and I'm super excited to keep exploring. What do you think is the coolest part of building these digital bridges? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.